Okay, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is talk about an important river or lake. It's up to you. You can select river or you can select lake. Important river or lake in your country or hometown. If it is in your hometown, okay. If it is in any part of your country, no problem. Right? Please, you can start.
Pakistan is a diverse country. There are many rivers, lakes, and beaches in my country. But I like to talk about River Ravi. I do not exactly remember, but when I learned, I am in school. It is a part of my geography subject.
Good, good. Carry on.
I do not know about anything, but first thing that impressed me, uh, its length. It is a very long river in my country and all around the world. Farmer use its water in the agriculture.
All right. So the first thing is you spoke less than a minute, 40 seconds only. The second thing is you took several pauses. Where is your topic? Where are the notes that you have taken? Can I see your notes? You don't have any notes, just have the topic, and even topic was not in front of you when you were talking. So if you do this, you will be blank after 20-30 seconds, and then you're going to unroll the topic and see where the notes are. So you need to plan your answer before you start speaking. Okay, they will give you 1 minute in actual exam for this thing. All right, let's go on. Why do people prefer going for picnic near the sea, river, or lake?
I think people prefer to go to the. Sir, repeat करें question.
Why do people prefer going to the river, lake, or sea for their picnic or holidays?
I think people prefer to go to the river or lakes because
Okay, thank you very much. This will bring you very low bench score, and the reason is that you are not giving full answer. You are making only some separate sentences, and for this sort of thing, the bench score is 3.5 to 4 band. You're making only some segregated sentences without any proper connection, and you don't give proper answers. So be careful. Thank you.